The National Museum of the Philippines, Batanes was the former U.S. Coast Guard long-range navigation established on September 1953 and operated until 1971 by the Philippine Coast Guard, donated by the LGU Uyugan to the NMP in 2011, and began its retrofitting and rehabilitation. Inamuhun, the natural and cultural heritage of Batanes. The 11 islands of Batanes. Ash and rock fragments from lahar deposits from the eruption of Mount Iraya. Rock collections from the islands of Batanes. Rakuh Aidi, a pre-Hispanic settlement found in the eastern coast of Batan Island. Different botanical collections. 6 vegetation zones. Ururan, stone grinder, used for grinding corn and arrowroot. Jars, used as containers for palut and sugarcane wine, the taro, and the badahuana ni Kahuas. Some kitchenware of the native Ivatan people. Different fishing implements. Basketries of Batan, Itbayat, and Sabtang. Tataya, the fishing boat of the Ivatans. Different farming tools, as well as the kanai and vakul. Zoological collections. The tatus, or coconut crab. Echinoderm collections. Vitu, or deep well, the source of potable water of the early Ivatans. Burial jars of early Ivatan elites, symbolizing honor and tradition. Batanes archaeological sites.